Hi guys! Today, we're walking towards Bournemouth Town Center kasi may air show. So pupunta kami ngayon at swerte din na wala kaming trabaho. Ngayon, nakagala kami. Dalawa kong kasama, ayaw lang pa-video eh. Gusto ko sana silang isama sa video pero ayaw nila eh. So papunta kami ngayon doon sa town center para manood ng air show if meron pa. If wala na, uwi. Tsaka sasamahan din namin yung isa. Magsha-shopping daw siya sa Primark dito. Kasi tatapon na daw niya yung mga gamit niya. Papadala sa Pilipinas. Dapat na F4 kami. Wala na, sa pool yung isa. Nagtatrabaho para sa komunidad. So ayun, medyo malayo-layo pa yung lalakaran namin. So we're passing through this area. Parang park to siya. Diyon. Ito. Papunta kami doon sa Primark. Ayan, maglalakad kami. Oh. Dito. Tada-tada. Yan yung park eh. Pero may park din naman doon banda.
The other day naman, pakipahan. Oo, tas hindi, actually meron, pero malayo na yung U-turn. Oo, 4 minutes. Eh, calculate na ako ng 2 minutes. Nalilito na naman ako. Doon sana ako papasok.
Ay, yung mga tao pa iba-iba eh.
Oo nga eh, pag minsan dito, pag minsan dito.
Minsan sa gitna. Are you going to get this? Final answer?
That is final.
Saan? Ang babayad? Doon no?
We're trying to look for a
Fitting
fitting.
room. Downstairs.
No, I think there should be one.
Wala. Nagtanong ako nasa baba daw.
Wanna go downstairs?
Can
Are you gonna get
Oh, pwede. Pwede.
Pwede na doon lang.
Sa?
Just go there.
Pwede naman kasi ano naman eh. Sinusukat na niya. Hindi ka na binibidyo.
Invasion of privacy.
Ini-explain ko lang, sinusuot na niya, itim yung sinuot niya, parang mukha ng si Lito Lapid,
Wait. Check that fit.
So, yan na, kukunin mo na yan. Okay. So, he has decided na kunin na yun. Ayaw niyang pumili ng iba. Grabe, unang bit-bit parang locked in na agad ba? Diretso upload. Yan. Bayan na, yun lang naman ang pinunta namin kasi yung ano naman talaga namin sa beach. So, punta kami.
Sa air show. Parang yung subtitles. Wow! Marami na kami sa kanila. Yung mga
best wishes for all of you making this film such a pleasant family hospitality environment. Erupting the Red Arrow! Red One formation up over 400 miles per hour and 4G as he pulls up that intake speed up Red One and the Lexus Trader Show full as they close to 7 arrow shape over the top, reaching a height of approximately 5,500 feet. As the aircraft accelerates back down towards their minimum safe height, Red One brings the formation around to the right. Get your camera ready for shuffle, roll. hold to the left. On the right hand side, closest in is red 2, flight 7 Stu Roberts. He's in his first year on the team and a previous Typhoon pilot with 11 and 12 summons at Royal Air Force Country in Lincolnshire. His opposite number on the left hand side is red 3, flight 7 Patrick Kershaw, known as Paddy. Once again, the team will reach over 5,500 feet at the top of that loop, and they will slow down to approximately 150 miles per hour. This makes the Hawk aircraft a little bit less responsive in the terms of its controls, and therefore the formation and station keeper by the pilot is even more difficult. As the aircraft come back down to the loop, it will be accelerated to 200, 300 and up to 400 miles per hour once again as Red 1 bends the formation around to the left. As they do the lightning present, you can see on the far right hand side uppermost as we look at it is Red 4 squad leader John Bond, known as Bondi. He is in the 5th year on the team, a former Typhoon pilot, a former secret leader from 2021, and also a former qualified flying instructor on the Tucano, where he was the Tucano display pilot in 2012. The Apollo presents personnel on the squadron. Watch for the colour change as Red 1 begins the formation around to the right. As Red 4 and 5 smoke red and blue. Smoke red is Red 5, like James Simmons, known as JIMO. He's in his 4th year on the team, a previous Tornado GR4 pilot, and he also flew the Harrier and the F5 while on exchange with United States Marine Corps.
Huh?
You see that the aircraft are flying with their air brakes down. This allows that the pilot set a higher throttle setting. The Python.
The Python?
Down once again to capture that 100 feet and push towards each other at that 800 miles closer. Before they do 4.4 leading the display line as they complete the boomerang. It's up to game, as the secret pair fly along the display line in full through. Red 7 smoking the red, white and blue. Keep your eye on Red 6 as he lines up the synchro pair for the colourful double shoot. Red 1 is in the aircraft which is a non-smoker, therefore that's why he hasn't got any smoke out. Each aircraft that can smoke. I was talking to a young lady earlier on today, and I believe it is Emma's birthday, and therefore the synchro pair and the round like to dedicate today's card to Emma. Happy birthday, Emma! massive round of applause for the wonderful Red Heart in the Skies of Bournemouth.